Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Realme 9 Pro. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Realme is unveiling its new 9 Pro to the market. The Realme is launching its new handsets of its 9 series of smartphones. This is one of them. The device is in a mid-range segment. The company is adding a new Pro variant, and it will be called Realme 9 Pro. The upcoming smartphone of the company has got a chipset of Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695, which is used in mid-range devices. To give more power to the handset, there is a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor under the hood of this Realme's 9 Pro. Also, there is a GPU of Adreno 619 in this smartphone. This new upcoming smartphone has a 6.6 inches screen size, which is a big screen display. The new Realme 9 Pro is going to have a IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and this device has got a full HD display with a resolution of 1080x2400 pixels. The upcoming new 9 Pro by Realme has got 8GB of RAM, which is a powerful RAM used in this smartphone, so you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. The built-in storage capacity of the Realme Pro is 128GB, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 64 megapixels main sensor, 8 megapixels ultra-wide, and the 2 megapixels depth sensor. The selfie shooter in this Realme 9 Pro will be a single camera, which is 16 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The device has got an under display. The optical fingerprint reader is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery of the Realme 9 Pro is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with LiPo non-removable 5000 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone got a fast charging. Now Samsung and other smartphone companies will have a competitor when the 9 Pro is launched. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.